Bitcoin is teetering on the edge. Will it crash? Oh, is it going to blast off? Stick around, Crypto Crew, because we're going to be breaking it all down right here. Welcome back, Crypto Crew. It's your boy Tom here, bringing you the hottest in Bitcoin and crypto action. If you're ready to dive into today's market analysis, hit that like button, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure you come on over to X and follow us on X, where we talk about Bitcoin and crypto all day, every day. All right, let's get into it, folks. We're going to be zooming in on the 8-hour chart. It's a very, very important chart, the 8 and the 12-hour chart. Right now, the bears still have the upper hand. If we're looking at this chart, we're going to see support inherently at right around the 80,000 level. And we have to give kudos for the bulls for holding that line. It's a very, very important line. So, but here's the deal. The market needs to recover over 85,000, let's say 86,000, right? He's got to recover over this top. It's got to get through this recent top that we had at the 88,000 in order to attack that all-important level at 91 and 94,000 right over here. So right now, the market basically has some strong headwinds. The 85.5 has to break in order to fight off these headwinds and flip the script. Now, if we zoom out and we go into basically the post-halving cycle, history doesn't lie. The average top hits around 475 days after halving. So don't fade the data, fam. Bitcoin should have inherent support all the way down. So even though the bears are in charge right now and we need to see a break of that 85.5, if we do get a dip and a really deep wick, potentially even down to the 76,000, even potentially lower to 73,000, that's an extreme dip, and that's where the marketplace is going to come in and gobble up coin for it really to go back into the range and potentially breaking that 91,000. So we're in for a wild ride, so just hang tight. It's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. The marketplace is probably going to be a little bit quiet today. But now, before we move on, let's talk trading. Okay, let's talk trading. You got to make sure you're trading with the best, right? That's why we teamed up with Pionex, our go-to broker for killer trade setups. We got fresh trades incoming every day. We keep you in the know. We also hold your hand. We want you to be part of our trading room, and we don't want you to miss out. So click on the link below for daily updates and get in on the action. Don't sleep on this, Crypto Crew. Pionex is where the winners play. Now we're going to just zoom into the total market cap. All right. Looking at the total market cap, things are heating up. Now remember, we have the Fed rate cut on the horizon. It's only a matter of time and patience till we actually get to see these consolidations and breakouts occur. It's just going to be a matter of time and patience. All right, so things are heating up. Altcoins are loaded. They're ready to pop. The noise out there, it's just temporary. Conviction will be victorious, crew. So stack those bags, stay sharp, and let's ride this wave together. That's it for today on a Friday. We'll see you tomorrow on a Saturday, but make sure that you come on over to X. Follow us on X. Drop some comments. Do you think Bitcoin's going to hold the 80,000 line? Will it break out? Will it drop through, go down to the 76.6? Put your thoughts, smash the like button. I'll catch you in the next one. And remember, always, always trade with your head, not over it. Do your own research. And remember, as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance near the door. Cheers.